when that smoke alarm just won't stop going off. It used to be simple to dismantle it.
If I need a battery for my remote for the TV, I'm going to take it out of smoke detector. If I need a battery for a toy for my child, I'm going to take it out of smoke detector. Smoke detector keeps going off when I'm cooking. I'm going to take the battery out of it. They don't put it back in.
Firefighter Tom McDonough says that's when fatal fires happen. So as a board member for the Firemen's Association of the state of New York, he's fought for the ban of smoke alarms with removable batteries for years. Today, that ban became law.
That thing, when I pick it up today and I put it in, I don't have to replace it until 2029.
All detectors sold in New York must now have non-removable batteries that last 10 years. In these new smoke detectors, you can see the battery. It's right in there, but you can't take it out.
In the old smoke alarms, you had to change the batteries, and people were always forgetting. And this one, it lasts for 10 years. You put it up there, you just forget about it.
Murray Kravitz of Supreme Hardware says people come in for new smoke alarm batteries constantly, so he'll be losing out on business long term. But he'll benefit from the new alarm's higher price tag. They cost around $10 more.
I think it's a better thing for the city because no one ever changes the batteries on their smoke alarms. Right. Very few people. You know, you have to really go up there and push the test button, and very, very few people do it.
You can't put price on a life, and 10-year smoke detector it's a no-brainer.
Retailers will be able to sell any of their remaining smoke detectors with removable batteries as long as they were ordered before April 1st. In Manhasset, New York, Tara Jakeway, CBS 2 News.
Now, homeowners don't have to replace existing smoke detectors unless they are renting or selling the property, but everyone is strongly recommended to do this for safety.